So today we're going to work on this magic braided bracelet. I'm sure you've seen these on the internet before, and we've been selling them for quite a while. It's actually really simple. It is all one piece of leather that has the center cut out in strips, and so we're going to go ahead and teach you how to braid this. So it's a three-piece braid. We're going to start with the right side. We're going to fold it in and then fold over the left, over that center one, until we have this three and this space in between. We're going to take that space and flip it in on itself. And then as the top looks like this, you're going to take your right again and do one over, and then your next one over, until you have this next space, which you'll also flip in. And we're going to continue right and then left and flip it, and now we have this almost straight piece again. So we're going to start, that's one section, we're going to do it twice. So we're going to take the right strand, go right, then the left strand over the right with our space right here. So two on one side, one on the other. We're going to flip that, and then we'll do it again right and then left, two on the right side, and we'll flip it again. Looks a bit like a mess, but it will come together. And we'll do it one more time. Right, left, and then we're going to flip that again. So up here you can see that this part is tight and this part's loose. We're actually going to turn it and braid it. Follow the lines, follow the strands backwards and just kind of loosen that braid back up. So just like you would braid it the first time, you're just going to braid it again, following the lines, following the straps. And then it's done. You just snap it together and you can kind of stretch it, get it all even, and that's complete. You're ready to wear it.